Hello again and welcome to the last video of this series. In this video we are going to see how to do the configuration of the CSC pool. That's very simple, similar to what the work we did before. We need to run the automation script to create the pack file for the virtual desktops. Then I'm ready to continue. This is an availability set configuration. It has 4, and let's go for the information on the console. I need to go for the first VM on the pool, subscription, resource group of the VM, name of the first VM in the pool, now it's asking me if I want to add the balance, the subnets. I will say yes, I want to add these two subnets. Then I will say yes. Let's go to the subnets now. You can get it from here. This is the VNet, where the subnets of the BDIs, BDI 1 and 2. Then on the VNet, I will pick up the subscription first. Then the resource group. Then the VNet name. And then the subnet name. This one. Okay. Do you want to have subnet? Yes. Same values. Insert that. Resource group. VNet name. And finally subnet name. So what is the script will include this only, will match only these two subnets for the pool. Okay. Do you want to subnet? No. Perfect. Now we have the pack file for the VDIs that will send traffic to Zscaler, and also to, let me copy this, and I need to include this on my portal. Probably this is timeout now. Yeah. I will call CSC Pool. CSC Pool backup. Very fine. And all is good. This pack file, what it's doing is matching the two subnets of 4 BDIs. Depending the IP of the PC of the BDI, will hit one of the loops, one of the pools, and that's it. activate. On the Ubuntu machine also I have all the gateways of the connectors. Then I will pick up this information on my notes here. And I will copy the file CSC. The temporary file is packlb your subnet with your subnet. I will copy the CSC pool.pack. Then I have now my two pack files. Names are this and this, and I can combine both in only one. Then if I do cat CSC pool pack, and I took this pack file and I put in the txt here. If I want to mix to create only one pack file, the only that I need to do is to do a cut of the pair. Sorry. On this section only. And come here, section 2, and paste. Then these values will match the subnets, and these values will match only this subnet. Then you can have only one pack file for servers with pack files and VDIs. To show how this works, we can use the pack tester. Let's see, I have the pack tester somewhere. Okay, in this case I'm going to test the CSC pool pack file. My subnet need to be on the pool of this one, or the 5. Okay, and I will put down to start for 10. Then for the IP number 10 on the subnet, the first proxy will be the 11. For the 12, for the 11 will be the 15. For the 12 will be another. For the 13 will be 14. And finally, for the next one will be the first one, 11 again. Then this is a way that, depending the source IP of the machine, they will rotate the connectors. And the last task to do is to SSH the connector and to do the configuration. Then let's take a look of. We need to do this on the connectors here, on the gateway IPs. I will do for the first one. Yes. And I want to continue, yes. I want to change, yes. So we're going to automate this task as well. Now it's manually 31, 25. GS, put the values on this. Remember the VPN values on each connector. And on the last one, and the key as well, sorry. I want to see the key, that's all good. And DNS servers, no. Pack URL, yes. On the byte packs pack is this one. I want to refresh, yes. I want to apply, yes. This is no. This is yes. Okay. The next connector, if I go to the list, is the 13. Yes, yes. Zscaler 3 manually 3125 Washington credentials. Pre-share key. I want to refresh the bypass list. This is yes. I don't want to change this. I'm not happy with this. Okay, yes. Let's do for the next one. This number 10. Yes. 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 Color 3 manual 3125. Yes. Let's put the credentials again for the pool VDI. Pre-share key. Yes. And DNS server no. Pack URL yes. 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 This is no. And this is yes. Finally, the last one is the number 16. Number 16. Yes. 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 Keller 3 manual 3125. Yes. And put the credentials here. And the pre-share key. I want to take a look. Yes, I will not change the DNS server. I want to add the bypass URL. Okay. I will refresh the bypass list. I will apply the change. This is no. And this is yes. Okay. Perfect. Now, if I check my first one, is the 19. I will check show configuration status. It is connected to Washington DC. Is using this, and the bypass is okay. That is good. Exit. The next one is the 13. Show configuration status. This is okay too. It's connected to Washington. It's using the public IP. Blah blah blah. It's all good here. and let me exit. The next one is the number 10. Number 10, if I go here, this is also connected, and is everything looks good here. Then let me exit, and finally the last one is the number 16. No, that, no. Let me check the number 16. Probably is still booting. I will need to wait a minute here. Okay, now it's up. Well, probably this tunnel is in transition. It's not still. Let's wait 10 seconds, 20 seconds more, and this will show that is connected to Washington. Now it's connected. Okay, it's connected to Washington. Then we have now the 4 connectors app. The only task that you need to do is to use this pack file, the CSC, on the VDI, CSC Pool pack on the VDIs, and that's it. It will work. And that's it. There's nothing else that need to be done. And in case someone is going down, the other will replace. The pack file has the intelligence to do the load balancing among the connectors. And this is the end of the video 5, and this is the end of this series of videos. We have a complete solution for Azure Cloud, for servers with explicit proxies, with pack file, with PDIs, load balancing, high scalability, 1 gig. You can put 8 connectors here and have 2 gigs. You can expand, and it's more scalable. Please contact us if you have any question, and I hope you like these videos that will provide an entire solution for connecting to Zscaler from Azure Cloud. Thank you very much.